I know you're a very good guy, say, I mean, I don't know how I have to thank you anymore. I don't know how much I have to thank you for what you've done for me. I mean, you're like a father to me, you know. It's like,
Yeah.
I don't know how much to say again because my word, say I'm out of words when it's come to thank you for what you've done for me, because you teach me a lot of things, say I didn't know. You show me a lot of things. I mean, when you are talking, say I'm always there, say listen to you. I mean, you name it. I mean, I remember the time, say we were in West Palm Beach when you give me all the promotion, you let me speak, say to the people. I mean, you give me the opportunity, say, I mean, this is very good. I mean, that I don't know how much to thank you again because you're the best. I mean, I could say it, man. I don't see anybody else like you before. I mean, I know there's some good people, but you, I mean, you're something else.
Right now, we have a great opportunity in our hand. You just have to do what you need to do.
Okay,
Very good opportunity in our hand.
definitely.
Yeah.
So you have to
Very
introduce
good.
me. I don't know whenever say you have a meeting, you have to introduce me to the because some people probably forgot about me. They might
Yeah,
think
they probably forgot about you. I have to introduce you to the team.
to the team again once again, yeah. Because I,
Yeah.
I, I called Julio, say he didn't even answer because he probably don't know who I am.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Mhm.
that's because you know who I am, say you know what kind of ethic work I'm capable of doing, so we can talk,
Yeah. 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 Hmm.
okay? So I don't know, I don't want to tie you up, say because I know you're a very busy man. So
Okay. Take care, my friend.
take care, okay?
Okay.
All right, you have a good
All
one.
right. Bye
Bye bye.
bye.